Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we're going to work on a mini workout using figures that you know already, and you can use it before going to the classes or the milongas to warm up.
This will improve your technique very much.
Let's go to the dance floor. Okay, here we are. We're going to use very simple moves just to warm up before going to the classes or to the milonga. So let's start with the first one. Follow me. I will keep body weights on my right to do a baldosa, square steps. I will start with the left leg to the side. So we go side, feet together, front, front, side, feet together, back, back. I will change body weight in place to end on the right leg. From here, we want to mix this with front ochos. So I will rotate, pivot to go front with the left and stop when I do the pivot. This is just very slow extension, pivot, extension, pivot, extension, and don't change weight. We're going to connect this step with the next one. So the left leg is going to initiate the next move. So we go back now with back feet together, front feet together, back feet together, front. Again, here we are not transferring weight, we are extending the legs just to hold the position weight to initiate the next move, which is walking back, 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 change body weight, and we wait here to move again from the beginning with the left leg. So we're going to use very simple moves, the square, the ochos, and the little molinetito or backside, front. To work on that, especially in the syncopations, timing, and also the technique to keep the feet together, to keep the knees together, to keep your posture, and play with the rhythm. Okay, let's try one more time. So I will go slow. This is a workout, so you can follow me and do it a couple of times. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Try with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's breathe. Let's go again. Body weight on your right. Remember to keep your posture and just move with the legs first and then the torso. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 2, 3, 4. Change, change. Ochos, 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 ochos. Weight. Back, front, weight, walk, walk, and feet together. Okay, very good. You have to watch the video a couple of times so you can repeat this over and over. Remember to keep your shoulders in position. If you do the exercises with the arms on the side and the elbows on the side, helps a lot because most common is when you're working on the legs to do this. So try not to do it. Lift your ribs. So when you do the steps, you keep that position on the upper body, and that will keep your very good posture. Great, guys! Thanks so much for watching the video until the end.
If you enjoy our content, make sure to leave a like and share with your friends. That will be much appreciated. And we look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Thank you so much.